Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. The joint probability, the joint probability density, the joint probability density function, the joint probability density function of a random variable x and y is given by f of x comma y, which is equal to x cube y cube divided by 16. X is greater than 0, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2. 0 less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 2. 0 otherwise. So this is the question. Prove that x and y are independent. Prove that x and y are independent. X and y are independent. So how to prove it? Let us see. First you have to know what is independent. Okay. So the independent is, answer is, to prove x and y are independent. So how to prove x and y are independent? F of x comma y, which is equal to f of x into f of y. This is the formula to prove x and y are independent. First you have to find the marginal density function of x is given by the marginal density function of x is given by integral. Okay, so f of fx of x or f of x, which is equal to integral 0 to 2 f of x comma y into dy. So with respect to y you have to integrate. So if we are integrating, which is equal to integral over the limit 0 to 2 x cube y cube divided by 16 into dy. So 0 to 2. So therefore, which is equal to integral over 0 to 2 x cube y cube divided by 16 into dy. This can be written as, so x cube divided by 16 integral over the limit 0 to 2 y cube dy. So y cube, if you are integrating, x cube divided by 16 y power 4 divided by 4, 0 to 2. So instead of y you have to apply 2. So x cube divided by 16, 2 power 4 divided by 4. What is 2 power 4 divided by 4? Which is equal to x cube divided by 16 into 16 divided by 4. So 16 cancel. So therefore, which is equal to x cube divided by 4. This is fx of x or f of x. Okay. So this is fx of x or f of x. So next you have to find the marginal density function of y. So the marginal density function of y is given by, the marginal density function of y is given by f of y or fy of y, which is equal to f of y, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity, right, f of x comma y into dx So fy of y or f of y, which is equal to integral 0 to 2 x cube y cube divided by 16 into dx, which is equal to y cube divided by 16. So integral over the limit 0 to 2 x cube dx, which is equal to y cube divided by 16 x cube if you are integrating x power 4 by 4 0 to 2. So you have to apply the limit. So if you apply the limit, which is equal to x cube fy of y or f of y is equal to y cube divided by 16 into 2 power 4 divided by 4. What is 2 power 4 divided by 4? That will be y cube divided by 16, 16 divided by 4. So 16 cancel. So answer is y cube divided by 4. So therefore f of y is equal to y cube divided by 4. Okay. So now you know the independent is f of x comma y, which is equal to f of x into f of y. So f of x comma y is equal to x cube y cube divided by 16, which is equal to x cube divided by 4. F of y is y cube divided by 4, which is equal to x cube y cube divided by 16. Hence x and y are independent. Hence x and y are independent.